Hi, welcome to Fire Engineering Training Minutes. I'm Danny Doyle, and today's topic we're going to cover how to penetrate down a hallway with multiple rooms of fire involvement. First, one thing that you really want to concentrate on is how you would travel into that hallway and using the building components to shield yourself and knocking the fire down before you truly get underneath it. So what I'm going to demonstrate at this point is the ceiling contents floor tactic of applying water and pushing the fire back into the hallway and traveling into the hall as I'm entering that environment. Okay, now that I've worked my way into the hallway, I've entered into the room that I've already started darkening down from out in the hallway. I've used the building components or the walls to shield myself from the heat and working the doorway, entering the room. Once the room has started to be knocked down, I penetrate the doorway. Once I come into the door, I want to use the four corners rule. Before I move further down the hall, I have to hit all four corners of this room. That way it will reduce the chances of the room igniting as I've already passed it. So now we worked our way down the hall. If you can look, the multiple doors behind me that were involved in fire, each of those rooms. We've covered those rooms, and there's one more room at the end of the hall in which I don't have enough line to make it to that doorway. So now it becomes the 25-foot of responsibility for the nozzle person. I can turn around and yell to my backup person multiple times. If he or she doesn't hear me, I'm now responsible for that 25 feet. Rather than sit here and get aggravated and frustrated, which really is going to slow us down in our firefight, I need to accept that responsibility and go back and get my line. So, just like a truck company would never leave their tools, an engine company or a nozzleman would never leave his nozzle. I'm going to bend the line back very easily. I'm going to take it back with me. I'm going to come back out to the hallway. I'm going to grab additional line, and I'm going to bring it down the hallway with me, dropping it halfway, making a loop so it easily folds right out as I can penetrate the last doorway and knock down the fire. Thanks to Globe Manufacturing for sponsoring us. I'm Danny Doyle, and this has been Fire Engineering Training Minutes.